They figure it out.
Yeah, well, they figure out with Big Daddy Kane, and you don't want Big Daddy Kane up in your back, you know what I'm saying? We are in our garage here next to the dumpster.
For street chats.
And we have full does. It's BMW. What is this? I what?
I wish it was a high.
What is this?
It's a 530xi.
530xi.
Twin turbo.
Wagon, twin 4-bolt. And an Infinity G35. We're going to take off the seats and clean the interior of the seats and the trunk of my car because it's disgusting. I have yet to discover everything about that car, and I wouldn't be surprised if I get a surprise in the mail with more damages. Actually, I did find more damages.
You know I have this part?
I found out that I need a sway bar link because one of them is broken, so I need to buy both of them for the front. And you'll see that in the leak video, which is coming next week. I'm gonna do a quick update on that because I think I found the culprit. But yeah, stay tuned for that.
We are planning of doing 2 uploads a week. So if you like it,
I wish I could, but work is too much. If you guys want to sponsor my channel, just hit the hit the like button, hit every button you can. You know, dislike, like, share, fair, double dare.
I would really like for the ice cream man to buy.
Well, he was over there.
Buy here.
Well, he will. Have faith, my brother. Damn you, you freaking airplanes. Anyway. So this is what, and then the freaking plane go by. So this is what the car had. It had a big, like garbage bag with clothes on it. I threw that away. So it came with the bat, and it came with this breaker bar and size 21 deep socket for the wheels that I'm carrying. So I thank the previous owner for that because I didn't have this deep socket. So thank you for that. So I'm gonna put that aside, got the bat. Oh, I thought it was like more goodies, but no, this is like the old lug nuts because I put, what do you call that? I like wheel locks on those rims. It did not have wheel locks, so I had to go out there and get the eBay ones. And I kind of stripped it, look. They're already taking rust. Not good. Now let me show you guys the detail of dirtiness that's here. Look at all that. That's like wet with grease, some type of grease. I don't know like what kind of activities people had here. I know you guys can't smell this, but this smells like rat. I don't know if it's the outside or the fact that I'm next to a dumpster, but it smells bad. Got some pills, yo. It says 1, 2. I don't know what the fuck is that. More pills. Okay. We have more goodies on this side.
You with the degrees with the power washer, man?
Look, we have more nuts here. Put that over here.
You want me to call Janiel to maybe see if he put the power washer?
He has one. We got more pens. And we have a wrench.
Another one.
We have a Crescent City wrench. You can never have enough of these. It works? Yeah. All right.
That's great. Hold on a minute.
This is what? This is the amp? This is
That's the GPS.
No, it's not. Some kind of Craftsman thing. We have more sockets.
Like a tool set and something.
Yeah, I think they was trying to fix it. but it went horribly wrong. Look, ah damn. This guy loves his pills. I don't know what the fuck.
It's K2 right there.
What the hell is K2? This guy seems to love his pills. I don't know whoever had this joint before. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can see the name of it. There's no name.
They're just telling you rocking that shit quick. You black? Hispanic?
Oh, look. It says T2.
K2.
It says T2, this one. Is K2? What thought it's K2?
If you know what K2 is, put it in the comments.
No. I want to know what the T2 means.
It's not a T, it's a K.
It's a T. It says Terminator 2. They're paying homage to the movie. Hello? Who doesn't know that? What? God damn. And it's in the corner there too. Look. It's in the corner right there. Look at that. I wonder if there's more hidden stuff around here. But I think this is drugs, guys. Okay, look at the MOs. Look at the MOs. Pills, lots of pens, a lot of sockets to break apart stuff, and a Sharpie that I put over there. And right side of recent events, I had to go home and bring my vacuum because I really don't want to get pulled over and a dog smells that shit or something. Although I have my papers, you know, some cops didn't want to hear that. That could mean a good 2 or 3 days in jail with, you know.
While they figure it out.
Yeah, while they figure out with Big Daddy Kane, and you don't want Big Daddy Kane up in your back, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Break time! Yeah, boy! We are back being 2 years old, baby. Who doesn't want to be a kid again? I do. Solid, my friends. Whenever I work on cars, I'm retired. The ice cream man come to the rescue. I got a diarrhea shake. I got a real man's ice cream, same with sprinkles. Damn, son. That was under there. Yeah. To the freaking clothes. I mean, I have dirty shit. What the hell are you producing more, you know, crap? What are you doing? I have freaking dirty rags.
You don't clean dirty with dirty.
Yes, you do. Okie dokie. So, the day is coming almost to an end. As you can see, the beautiful skies. It's still light, but it's getting dark. I don't know if the camera picks that up. So, this is the results. Phase one. This is way too dirty for like a couple of hours. You need some special dilution solution from Mars to take this crap off. But look, this is how it looks now. Oh yeah. Royalty-free music for Wrenchettes. This shit is clean, real clean. Even for others. This is supposed to look like that. This is insane. I don't know what the hell they were doing in this car here.
Drugs.
That's so insane, man.
Money.
So, what we got out of this, demonetized, you know that. Actually, you know, I don't get paid from YouTube. I don't get paid from YouTube, so it's okay.
Pictures.
Anyway, so this is what we got from the trunk. Okay, we got a whole bunch of dirt. And there's more like laying around there. We have a bunch of sockets, clips, Sharpie, a bat, a breaker bar, a couple of deep socket wrenches, sockets, yes. Some L's, some bolts, a lot of pens, some brake clips, a ratchet, screwdriver,
A ratchet,
and some jack pieces, and of course the original thingies that goes here. But yeah, those things we'll be washing it first before I put it back on the car. I'm just gonna put that back in the trunk, put these things back.
power washer.
Yeah, these needs like a really hot steam. Like the whole car needs to be dipped in steam or something. So yeah, we're gonna put these things back. So yeah, this is how it is. I didn't take the seats because that was gonna take more time.
It's gonna be next week.
And my garage is almost closed. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but yeah, you have to go. This is the troubles of not having a house, living in the city, and not having a parking lot. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm glad that I took those drugs out, the K2s. But I found out that K2s are synthetic drugs, meaning that they can be obtained by a doctor or something, right?
No, synthetic marijuana. It's a marijuana that gives you the effect of marijuana.
Yeah, but it's a
it
treatment.
was made by some dudes in a basement, pretended to be chemists.
Okay, but as I was reading, it's used to treat like illness and pain. So I thought it wasn't drugs, and these guys said no, it is drugs. And then I saw in the news that they caught a few people selling K2s. So I'm like, so that is a drug. So I have to come and take that crap out of my car. So yeah, we took all that crap out. I hope there's no residue. I'm gonna come with Febreze and spray all that crap. Cause if I get stopped, God forbid, and a canine smells a little bit of drugs, he will bark. They will disassemble my car trying to find that crap. Little do they know it's just the residue, but yeah. I want to avoid that and have my Vader clean of all illegalness. So yeah, looking good, looking good. Until next time, this is Cool Matata. See you next time. Peace.